table. Because we're going to draw a table and we're going to draw several sets next to it.
I have to zoom in then.
It's basically, because if you're moving, this is all relative, right? If your circle is already 1,000, and moving 200,000, then yeah, it's a much smaller.
Just want to top
So let me measure how big would be the radius. Okay, around 20. Very useful if you don't have 20, 30, more or less. So radius 200. 500, maybe a table of 2 meters by 900. Okay? So let's make something more real because I think that otherwise sometimes you might, if those exercises are too abstract. So let's try to draw this example. So basically we draw a table, so a rectangle 2000 by 900, and we're gonna start to make several copies of chairs next to it. Okay? So this part I guess everyone should manage. 2000 tab 900. We have the table, and then we go for a circle, and the circle we make, let's say 200 radius. It's a kind of larger, and we can kind of position it so the first one is blue. Okay? Do you have this one more or less? 2000. Yeah, radius, yes. 900. Does it work? Okay. So this is gonna make it a little bit more real that we are drawing something that is useful for your design. Good? Good. So we keep going right now. So right now the next thing that might be is like, okay, we want to place more than one person around this table. And so we're gonna do the copying. And the first copying we've done was basically I took this one, I make a copy, and I move it by 200. And the 200 was kind of a good measure because it was easy to kind of guess what would be the next one. So the first one was 200, the next one, so I was like this. Center, 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 center. And because this is my original one, so from the first one to the second one was 2, 400, etc. Yes? But what if this value is a little bit tricky to kind of add in your head? Because it might be that basically the distance between the first and the second one is 175.3. And then once you're gonna need to kind of calculate it, you're gonna get crazy. So let me show you this instance. But maybe at this stage, okay. Okay? Okay, but right now, no, but maybe right now I show first, because otherwise we need to wait, guys. Oscar, maybe I first show first, because otherwise I'm gonna show something that you're gonna miss. First we do, okay? So in case this value of of displacement is a little bit tricky, and let's say it's this one, 400, let's put it even a little bit more rounded, 485. But then someone can tell me what is the next one? It's tricky. So in such cases, I show you another trick how we can do it. So if let's say this displacement is tricky, it's much more easy actually to draw these first two circles, and then I select the second circle, press copy, but right now my base point is gonna be the center or any point from the first one. So for example, the center. And then I'm able to basically copy it together with this distance. You see how I'm doing it? Check. And then without calculating, I can very quickly make very regular copies. So how did he do that? Again. So again. So the first exercise we've done, it was easy. It was 200, 400, 800, very easy to move. This time I want this to copy it, and sometimes you might even copy it because it's just a table, so this distance might be very arbitrary. Maybe it's 491 or whatever, 490. And of course I could count it, 490 multiplied by 2, having a calculator next to me. But it's much easier for me to select this object, say copy, but now I'm very smart about which point do I choose, because I'm going to choose a point that later on I'm going to be able to move it together with this object and then point it towards this middle and this middle and this middle and so on. So either this point or let's say this center point. So you basically, once you specify the middle, the point, you choose the previous circle. And a kind of specific point, either center or side. So once I kind of start to move it, I can put it to the center, to the center, to the center, and then you need to give it a try and see how it works.
What's the radius of the chairs?
This one is 200.
200 radius and 200 distance.
No, the distance was a little 490, but the distance was like more complicated, or can be like any distance you want. So I have this chair, have a look, I draw it and I say like, okay, more or less looking good. And now because I want all of them to look the same, I copy, choose maybe this point, and I can check it.
When you select the base point, choose the center.
Can be the center, can be any other point. Let me show it with the other point. I can select this, copy, select this point, for example, and if you don't trust me that the distance is the same, just measure it. And then generally take it easy. This is the way it works. The visualize.